Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. When it comes to entertaining outdoors, a quality roller cooler is an essential piece of equipment. Whether planning a picnic, an outdoor party, or a day at the beach, having a reliable cooler can make the difference between a great time and a miserable one. But with so many different models on the market, choosing the right one to suit your needs can be challenging. We've taken the time to review the top performing models in each category, so you can be sure you're getting the best cooler for your money. We'll cover everything from their capacity and insulation to portability and price so that you can decide on the perfect roller cooler for you. So let's get started. Let's begin with the best for the price, Arctic Zone Wheeled Cooler. When it comes to keeping your refreshments frosty and accessible, the Arctic Zone Wheeled Cooler excels. With its insulated front compartment and quick access lid, you can conveniently grab your favorite snacks and drinks without disturbing the cooler power. The cooler truly lives up to its name, keeping ice frozen for up to 3 days and accommodating an impressive 60 cans. The detachable cart boasts an expandable, extra-wide base and rugged all-terrain wheels, allowing you to transport the cooler across any surface effortlessly. With a retractable, telescopic hook-and-go candle, maneuvering this cooler becomes a breeze. The only slight drawback is it doesn't have a drain plug, so you need to tilt the cooler to remove excess water. But the cooler's exceptional performance and convenience features easily overcome this minor inconvenience. And the next one is the best versatile, Igloo 52-quart Marine Ultra Cooler. Igloo Marine Ultra Cooler is an excellent pick for a top-notch cooler for outdoor adventures. With ultraviolet inhibitors, you won't have to worry about sun damage ruining your investment. The ultra-therm insulation in the body and lid keeps your ice frozen for up to 5 days, so you can enjoy your trip without worrying about constantly replenishing the ice. And with a locking telescopic handle, gear hangers, and non-making soft ride rally wheels, it's easy to transport this cooler anywhere. And to top it off, the recessed triple snap drain plug and 4 self-draining cup holders with a lockable lid or tie-down loops ensure your items stay secure and in place. The only downside to this cooler is that the handle can snap into the sides easily. But overall, the Igloo Marine Ultra Cooler is a fantastic choice for anyone in the market for a high-quality cooler. And the next one is the best portable, Coleman Chiller Soft Cooler. The Coleman Chiller Soft Cooler is an excellent product for those looking for a convenient, reliable way to keep food and drinks cold. It is designed with a telescoping handle and durable wheels for easy transport. It also has a zippered front and inside mesh pockets for storing ice packs and other extras. Additionally, the exterior fabric is made of recycled polyester fibers, and its temp lock installation keeps food and drinks cold for 12 hours or more. This product is leak-proof due to its welded seams, and the removable and resistant hard plastic liner helps prevent any mess. It can hold up to 42 cans, making it ideal for various occasions. The only downside to this product is that the handle is not very sturdy. Overall, this product is worth considering if you're looking for a cooler. Still haven't found a roller cooler that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. And the next one is the best performance, Igloo Thermoelectric Coolers. The Igloo Thermoelectric Coolers offers a unique and versatile solution for keeping your food and drinks at the desired temperature, whether on a road trip, camping, or simply having a picnic in the park. The modular lid features thermoelectric cooling and heating functions, providing excellent performance both in cooling and heating. The cooler's interior can be cooled to up to 36 degrees Fahrenheit below ambient temperature, making it perfect for storing perishable items. At the same time, the heating function can heat the interior to 135 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring that your food stays warm. The quiet brushless motor, durable wheels, and tow handle make transporting the cooler a breeze, ensuring you can take it wherever you go. Nonetheless, it's not equipped with AC wall outlet adapter. However, this minor inconvenience should not deter you from choosing the Igloo Thermoelectric Cooler, as it still offers many benefits for you to experience. And the next one is the best design, Columbia Wheeled Cooler. The Columbia wheeled cooler is designed to exceed your expectations, featuring an insulated front compartment and padded handles. It ensures that your food and beverages stay cool and refreshing throughout your journey. With a capacity to hold up to 50 cans, this cooler provides ample space for your drinks and snacks. Thanks to its super foam high-performance insulation and Thermoflex radiant barrier lid, this cooler keeps the contents cold for extended periods. Whether you're embarking on a camping trip, tailgate party, or picnic, this cooler is equipped to preserve the freshness of your perishables. The all-terrain cart and wheels included with the cooler are game changers. With a foldable cart and a retractable telescopic handle, it can effortlessly handle up to 100 pounds of food and drink items. Nevertheless, the top zipper may feel a bit flimsy, but it can endure regular use with proper care without significant issues. And the next one is the best sturdy Igloo 5-gallon cooler. The Igloo 5-gallon cooler is an excellent option for use during events outside. The high-density polyethylene material used in its construction makes it sturdy and long-lasting, and its molded inside handles makes it simple to carry. The Cool Riser technology keeps the contents of the container away from heated surfaces, while the locking gasket covers help prevent leaks and spills. Plus, the personalized space in the front is a beautiful touch. And the recessed fixture, which stops leaks and can be removed for easy cleaning, is another excellent feature. It's easy to travel thanks to the handle that locks and telescopically extends and the embedded wheels. The only problem is that the lid is a bit hard to shut. So if it is filled up and rolled, some of the drink may spill out if it's not entirely sealed. However, this minor problem can be solved without much effort, so you don't need to worry about that. And our winner today is The Best Products Cooler. It's best overall on all roller coolers that we researched. Weighing less than 3 pounds, this cooler is incredibly lightweight, making it a breeze to carry around. Its foldable design allows for easy storage, saving you precious space. The insulated interior ensures that your beverages or snacks stay perfectly chilled, while the leak-proof construction provides peace of mind. Moreover, its locking telescoping handle guarantees comfort and stability when pulling or pushing the wheel tote. Plus, it can hold up to 36 cans and ice cubes, providing ample space for your favorite refreshments. The extra-large side mesh pockets and beverage holders also offer additional storage options, while the large front zipper pocket provides easy access to your items. While the The Best Products Cooler offers exceptional functionality, it's worth mentioning that it can make a little noise when in motion. However, this slight inconvenience is easily overlooked considering its many benefits. Okay, that's all for today, guys. If you guys enjoyed this, make sure to smash the like button to subscribe. And please tell us which products you would like us to review next in the comments section. And don't forget to check the description box for all the buy links for the products featured today. If you want to see more helpful tips, guides, and gear to enjoy the benefits of the great outdoors, all that great stuff, make sure to subscribe. Also, feel free to follow us on Twitter and Instagram and our Facebook page in the description as well. For anyone who's interested in camping, hiking, and outdoor activities, click like and follow us. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.